part of this question asks us to find a stratified sample of the 50 employees. A stratified sample involves dividing the population into groups first, or strata. That's where the word stratify comes from. We need to make sure that the strata or groups are proportionate to the groups within the population. However, we do need to make sure that we obtain a random sample at the same time. So we need to first number our cleaners from 1 to 495. We need to do the same with the managers and number them from 1 to 55. We now need to work out how many cleaners and how many managers will form part of our sample of 50. So the number of cleaners, quite simply, is just going to be the fraction. So we do the fraction of the population and multiply by the sample size. So we're going to have 45 cleaners. Now, it should be fairly obvious that we're going to have 5 managers, but you do need to show that working to make sure that you haven't made a mistake with your cleaners calculation. So the number of managers is again the fraction of the population multiplied by the sample, and you do get 5. Don't stop there, because that's not quite completed the question. You then need to go on to describe how you would take that random sample. So we'd use a random number generator. To select 45 cleaners and 5 managers. Really common mistake is to just miss off that last bit. You do all the calculations and you forget to mention the random number generation.